Some products come in variations like color that should be visible in product lists and search results to help users quickly find the right option. Testing revealed two major issues with displaying product variations as separate list items, issues so significant that they can lead some users to abandon the site. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 421 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Combine variations of products in one item in product lists and search results. The first issue is that displaying variations as separate list items makes it difficult to grasp the full product range. In testing, many users felt overwhelmed by the number of variations in product lists and search results, struggling to determine how many unique products were actually available. A user browsing the sale listings became suspicious of the site when he realized that he was looking at different colors for identical products. Multiple list items for one product can mean that users have to spend more time working out how many variations there are, even though in the Urban Outfitters app as shown here, it states that there are 3 more colors. Additionally, each variation takes up a significant proportion of the mobile viewport, which forces users to scroll past multiple variations of products that are not of interest. The second issue with listing product variations as separate items is that users interested in a product may struggle to find the specific variation they prefer. Having multiple list items for a single product makes it much harder for users to pick out suitable items. Combining product variations in lists and search results solves many issues caused by separate listings. When variations are grouped, users see only unique products, making it easier to scan the selection and reducing the chance of overlooking a suitable variation. With variations combined into single list items on Williams-Sonoma and Apple, users can easily get an overview of the list and can find items of interest more easily. Combining color variations into a single list item can save a lot of time, as this user confirmed during Baymard's large-scale testing. When variations are combined, the variations are often indicated using swatches below the list item thumbnail. Different color options for fridges on Home Depot are combined in list items, with variations indicated by large swatches below the thumbnails. As a result, users can tell from list items if the fridges come in colors that will suit their needs. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your product list, including over 80 guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.